Good morning, everybody. I am back with a different topic today. The topic is Yoga Vipassana. Some people might have heard about Vipassana. This Yoga Vipassana is different from that. Okay, first of all, for the people who is not aware of what is Vipassana, I will explain. Vipassana is some meditation course, you can say, or it's not a practice or thing, course you can say. And 50, 60 years back, it was practiced for 45 days. So 45 days, they have to stay in some place, camp we can say, and they should not talk to anyone, they should not read anything, they should not write anything, just they have to follow the techniques, the meditation techniques they are guiding. Okay. So as the time is evolved, now we don't have that much time. The course have been reduced to 10 days, and this is organized by Dhamma.org, dhamma.org. In this website, you can go and you can see what are the places we have these facilities and which date the camp is available, and you can go and register and attend this program. Okay. So this is for the 10 days program. I have not attended the program yet. So I am waiting for that opportunity. Once I get it, I will attend and I will share the review on it. And the thing I am talking about is Yoga Vipassana, which is initiated by Hirat Bhaskar. He is founder of Anatomic Therapy. And this course is just only for 3 days. Okay. So because the many people were not going for Vipassana, and they were approaching Hirat Bhaskar, saying that it's difficult to find that time. So he come up with a new initiative that he designed one course for this Vipassana. So he made it for 3 days, and he made it more interesting with mixing with multiple meditation, different kind of meditation techniques. So we don't feel bored at all. Okay. So and he offers this. He conduct this for once in every month. Okay, and Coimbatore. Okay, for the people who knows Tamil, they can go and attend it. But for the other language people, I am sure that there will be some other good cards at in your state or in your nearby area. They may do such similar service. So you do search for it. You may find some real guru in your area. Okay, so you can follow them. And for me, I have attended this course in January 2017. Okay, when I attended, I it was planned for Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So ideally, I was supposed to go and reach there by Thursday, one day before evening itself, 6 or 7 o'clock, so that they give the proper instruction, they give the pamphlet in like what are the rules, everything, and what are the doubts we have, we can raise it and we can get it clarified on the previous day itself. But as I went late and it was the first time for me, so I did not have in detailed knowledge about the rules and regulations, and they have given me the temporary room because it was midnight, 12 o'clock only I reached there. So in the next day one, the early morning, I was still confused. I still could not participate in that program because of many unclear things. So what I recommend to everyone, if you are attending any such program, you have to plan to reach there in the previous day, so that you on the day one itself you can come to the same mindset, you can prepare yourself, and you will be able to follow the meditation techniques very easily. Okay. And the 3 days it will be having lot of programs. For example, early morning 4:30 we have to wake up, and we have to practice some walking stretches whatever we want, and then morning we have to do some meditation technique. Meditation technique will combine with two or like mudra with mudras and music background, and without music, the anapana meditation for every 10 minutes alternatively. Okay, so it will be in the morning, also in the afternoon, evening, and all the time. This will be practiced daily, so you can remember all these things very easily, and you can once you finish the course, still you will be able to practice it without any guidance. Okay, and after doing 1 hour meditation, there will be some tea break, and then again meditation, then breakfast, and meditation plus yoga techniques, and then meditation and lunch, and after lunch again meditation, yoga techniques, and meditation, tea break, meditation, and rest, meditation, dinner, sleep. Okay, this is the programs, but in the meditation itself, daily in the afternoon they cover afternoon and the evening they try to cover different type of meditation like Guru Darshan Dhyanam and Yoga Nidra. There are multiple meditation techniques, so they will teach practice it on daily basis. So it will be helpful for you for you all. Okay, and there are many rules to be followed. First, we should not use any cell phone, TV, or anything. The TV will not be available. We have to hand over our cell phone and laptop to them and the previous day itself. Okay, and we should not do read books, anything on these 3 days, and we should not do writing also. If you have any doubt, if you want to ask anything, if you need any help immediately, there will be some registered notebook. We can write it along with our room number, bed number. They will give the clarification, or if we need some item, they will deliver it to our bed. Okay, and we should not talk to others, and we should not look at others. That means you should not look at others' face also, because this will cause some distraction. So you will not be able to do meditation effectively. Okay, and when I went, we had many distractions. Like other people are doing acting, like we need comb, oil, something like this. So these kind of things, even though I have not initiated, but when other people initiated, it was very difficult for me to avoid it. So obviously I helped them, but what I ask that when you are going, you prepare yourself not to look at others, not to give any action also for any need anything. It's better not to look at others. Okay, so these are the basic things. Okay, for this they anatomic therapy they charge 500 rupees for registration, and that was a kind of refundable after 3 days completion. But as it was very less amount, by considering the stay, food, and all these things, teaching everything, 500 is nothing at all. So everyone was donating that 500 after the course, and some people donated some more beyond that amount also. So if you are attending any such course, if you are attending the Vipassana 10 days course or any other course, I would request at least you donate the basic some amount for the expenses at least. That is, if you are giving more, that is well good. But if even though if you are doing free service, I advise you to pay at least the minimum amount so that they can continue the services for others. Okay. So I hope you learned many things from this. So if you have any doubts related to Vipassana or something, you let me know. I will happy to help you. Okay. Thank you all.